Hello! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to move the artwork you've made on IbisPaint from one device to another. Now, there's a variety of reasons why you might want to do this. Perhaps you've changed devices and would like to switch your art over, or maybe you want a way to safely back up your art in case anything were to happen to your device. This is perfect for either of those options. A question I get quite a bit is, if you were to accidentally uninstall IbisPaint from your device, would you lose all your creations? Unfortunately, the answer is yes. IbisPaint does not have a function that allows you to back up or transfer your art. So I'm going to be teaching you today how to do that. I've always done digital art on my phone, but recently I got myself a tablet. I'm very excited about that. I think it's really going to up my art game. I'm going to be moving some art I've made on this phone over to the tablet. Of course, you could do this vice versa, but that's just what I'm going to be explaining today. To complete this transfer, you're going to need to download the Dropbox app on both of the devices, the receiving device and the sending device. I've created myself an account, and I've also added a little folder titled IbisPaint. That's just there to keep me organized. It's not necessary at all. On the original device, we're going to switch back to IbisPaint, and from there we can tap on the piece we wish to transfer. Today I'm going to be transferring this little number that I never got around to finishing. Here we can tap on the little share button down at the bottom, and there we can tap on artwork in parentheses IPV. That's going to take us to a little panel where we can share it, and you're going to select Add to Dropbox. Click Add, and then it will upload to your Dropbox account. Once it completes its upload, we can find it on our second device. Tap on it to download. Once it completes its download, it will take you straight to the app where it will appear. You can tap on it to edit, and you'll find that all of your layers are still intact. That completes my tutorial on how to transfer art between two devices. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions at all, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching!